sitting in Starbucks. They got there. We were totally ready to sit here for a couple hours and work on some YouTube, on some DEBTISDUM, and uploading some videos. Grandma has these cool video player, DVD players.
They have no network.
They have no network.
Dun, dun, dun.
We're still, my mom's house is, we can barely get, oh, she's smiling. Can you see yourself or see mommy? We can barely get reception on our phones. Really, like, our emails and stuff aren't even coming through. So we come in to Starbucks in town and we still can't get email. We still can't get the internet. So, I don't know. We'll have to try. We'll have to try something else. You're so funny. Daddy is with his family today, helping them take care of his aunt's stuff and just doing family things together. So I'm glad he's spending the day with them. But now we're just like 4 girls, free and on our own with no internet. I'm trying, guys. We're trying,
guys.
Right? I mean, I wined and dined with the milks, and Mom got her breakfast. It's 11 o'clock in the morning, and we're finally eating breakfast. Yes. I let the kids go to the deli.
I this a long time ago.
She liked a bagel and cream cheese. Watch this. Look at that. You're fussing, and then when it's on you, you're happy. You silly girl. So what should we do today, guys? Zoe wants to go garage sailing here. And this one's freezing cold because she lost her DEBTISDUM sweatshirt.
But
she always loses her DEBTISDUM sweatshirt. Yeah, but it's a little chilly down here.
Yes, it's actually my dress.
Okay, you're sharing your dress. You almost knocked the table over again, Grace. Alright, so we'll see. We'll see where today takes us. Watch this baby. It's really funny, okay? Oh, you're even giggling. And I'm pretty sure you said mama last night.
There it is.
I am planning a dinner for the family tonight. We're going to cook for everybody. So I'm thinking chicken marsala. Does that sound good, guys?
Yeah.
Thumbs up? You don't even know what chicken marsala is, though.
Thumbs up.
Or Daddy's spaghetti, but they just had spaghetti.
So fuzzy. What's up? What's up? Oh, yeah.
You guys are the chefs in the family. What would you like to cook?
Macaroni and cheese with
My family has the girls cooking really well, even cutting.
Yeah, I just used a chef knife. Oh, yes.
I'm thinking this garlic parmesan chicken bake. That sounds delicious.
I'll get that for biscuits. I'll get that for biscuits. Oh, yes. What are we making?
Parmesan, where is it? I have this on a recipe at home, but since we're not home to make it, we'll make it here. Garlic parmesan chicken lasagna bake.
Lasagna? Ew.
Let's go get a few things. We gotta get baby diapers.
We need to pack up
the baby diapers.
Mama, Liberty is doing yes, we're so happy.
Because here's my foot.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That little
Friskies.
family have 4 little girls.
Mom said 4 girls.
Girls are good. Girls are
We're blowing right.
Okay, I have an idea.
She's like, oh, Friskies, Mom. Oh, that's for Friskies.
What's going on?
How you doing? He came back.
Good looking. What's for dinner?
Parmesan, garlic.
I think we're good on peas.
Lasagna.
I'm just saying we're good on peas.
Okay.
You got really baggy eyes. Did you get any sleep? You were snoring so loud last night, you woke me up.
Uh-oh.
But anyway, this is a dinner vlog. Get back to business here.
Water.
What's for dinner? Come on, Mom. What's
Parmesan chicken lasagna.
garlic parmesan chicken lasagna? That's what's for dinner Friday night.
And they're cooking
And
it.
the kids are cooking it, so we're getting takeout.
What's for dinner?
Liver bottom.
Liver bottoms.
We're having liver bottom.
All right, people, that's it.
That's it?
Well, I said that's what's for dinner.
They just got here and they have to leave already.
What else is for dinner?
Bye. Bye.
Salad. We're gonna make a salad and some garlic bread.
Ooh, garlic bread. Nice.
Garlic bread.
All right, people. We'll catch you later.